Hey guys, what up, what up? It's 11 a.m. and the sun has been beaming from about 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. The sun has been beaming, but right now it is hot. Just had an ice lolly to cool me down. And she's still eating hers. These are quite good, but I'm going to be making some more of these, just diluted drink. In the freezer.
And then it's ice.
Quite yummy. I'm gonna go make some more.
Mine's still a bit pink. Okay, mine's still a bit pink.
Raina's sleeping because she got up from about 6 o'clock this morning. I've been out here all morning.
Daddy,
Oh,
when Raina was...
beaming out here.
Daddy, when I woke up, Raina was like on the floor laying down.
Gave these windows a wash down this morning. They're not looking too bad.
Sit down. The cooler is
It's cooler downstairs. Upstairs is boiling. Mommy, where you going?
house.
Oh. You can't leave me alone. You're gonna be burning up in the car.
Aircon.
No, you can't use the aircon.
Bye.
You can't use the aircon.
I can.
You can't.
It's just us home now.
Yeah, why you left the baby? He's cleaning the table.
And then... Dirty on the...
Okay. I love this garden. At 12 o'clock, the sun has gone to the front, and then you can just chill in the garden and it's cooler down the front. You can feel a little breeze blowing. Yeah. So beautiful just to sit around here. I'm hiding behind the shed. We're in a summer house really truly. Still hot. Wow. Garden itself is shaded now. Oh yeah, I made them ice thingy. I forgot to. Yeah, I made them ice thingy. Okay. Yeah, I made them earlier and put them in. I got to show. Yeah, okay. I need to find something to give them to eat now. What I might do, I've got this cake. Probably just give them that with some juice. It's too hot to put the stove on, man. It's gonna make the house hot. So this is cake and juice. Cake and juice. So slice that up with some biteable, chewable ice. And then they can eat. Get some ice. Give them a drink. Look at these kind of cups going on. This is this Rion. I'm assuming this is ours. Oh, my name is on it. Oh, this is the juice thing. So they're eating their stuff. This door is annoying me. She's still sleeping.
So what people? You didn't say you
Oh, they trashed the room.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't leave it like this last night.
No.
Daddy, I fix it.
How's your cake, Baba? Nice cake? You drink your juice? Hi, Mommy. You're back.
Hi. My husband is hard at work.
Yeah, guys, so my wife has decided that we actually need a TV in the room, and I agreed with her from the start.
Well, after surgery, I think you deserve to have a lay-in sometimes.
So
But he always runs downstairs to watch
she
TV.
bought a Samsung Ultra HD, which means 4K, and we've installed the thingy on the wall, whatever that name is.
Bracket. Oops. So the bracket is on the wall.
I saw you. Alright guys, next time you see us we should have it on the wall because it's quite big and heavy.
Okay.
I'm sure it's gonna need helping.
So guys, we did it.
Oh.
We did it.
It's on.
It's on the wall. And he neatly tacked these from this morning. Oh, my toes.
So Shirley's taking off the plastic. Let's hold it on.
Oh, I don't think I've ever done this before in my life. Oh, no, no, look at that. That's how this is how it is.
It burns.
No, it pulled my hair.